Hi, I'm DCI Niamela and welcome to this virtual reality film. The scenes you're about to see are dramatisations of some of the ways that sexual harassment can take place on trains and at stations. We want you to report it. No incident or detail is too small or trivial. We will always take you seriously. There are ways that you, as a bystander, might be able to help before rail staff or police are able to be directly involved. Taking action doesn't have to put you in harm's way, and a small act could make a big difference. See it or experience it. Report anything that feels uncomfortable. Text British Transport Police on 61016. And in an emergency, always call 999. Intrusive staring makes people uncomfortable. Anyone that's been on the receiving end of this behaviour knows that it's not okay. There's a difference between staring into space and staring intrusively. In this scenario, we see how being alert can help in a difficult situation.
Why is this man looking at me? Do I have something on my face? Maybe he's just zoned out and he'll look away in a minute. No, there's the look again. He's definitely staring. He's still doing it. I'll just ignore him. How long is it until the next stop? 5 minutes, not too long. Why are you following me? Why are you staring at me?
Do you want to stop this happening?
Excuse me, are you okay?
No.
Would you like to swap seats?
Yes, please. Okay.
You might think that something like this isn't serious enough to report, but you can report anything that makes you feel uncomfortable. Report it to British Transport Police by texting 61016. Someone persistently bothers a lone traveller, even though it's clear she doesn't want to talk. This can be upsetting and scary. Making unsolicited remarks shouldn't be tolerated or ignored. It's wrong and causes harm.
All right, love. Your boyfriend sat there, is he?
Well, no, you can
No?
sit there.
It's
Yeah.
all good? Cool, thanks. Where are you off to then?
Nowhere special.
Nowhere? What are you watching?
Yeah, nothing.
Nothing. I like that top. Is it new, is it? God, those boots as well.
Do you want to stop this happening?
This looks a bit odd. She doesn't know him and she clearly doesn't want to talk to him. It doesn't look like he's going to leave her alone either. I don't want to cause a scene, but I should do something, right? Hey, sorry mate, do you know where that train's going to?
Yeah, I don't know, 2-3 minutes, something like that.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah, no worries.
Are you okay?
That was awful, but thank you so much.
Oh, no worries. I saw what he was doing. You shouldn't have to put up with that. I don't know if you know, but you can text 61016 and it'll report it straight to the police.
No, I didn't. I'll do that now.
Yeah.
Thank you again.
Cool. No worries.
This type of persistent questioning can be reported by texting 61016. The final scenario shows how you could intervene if you're uncomfortable with your friend's behaviour. None of us should tolerate sexual harassment, even if it means we have to tell a friend that their behaviour is harmful.
Great to watch. Like, it was great. Everyone was just laughing, weren't they? Everyone couldn't stop. Like, no, there wasn't even like anyone not smiling. Everyone smiled. Like, well, not everyone. Not everyone was smiling.
It doesn't cost anything to smile, love.
What? Well, I mean, if it did, I'd pay for it. Do you know what I mean? I'd pay for a smile. I mean, no, I mean, she's ready for a night out. Look at that, she's got the blonde hair done, she's got the leather jacket on, got the dress. Legs are out, so fire, ready to go out, and she's reading the book as well. So intellectual, look. Intellectual, you know
say about them ones.
Do you want to stop this happening?
What are they doing? I should say something. These are my mates, but they just take it way too far. I should have said something before. Wait. Let's leave it out, guys.
What's up,
right? No, it's not all right. Right, just leave her alone.
It's all right.
Excuse me. We're sorry. It's not okay.
You can stop sexual harassment, and it starts with your mates. If you know it's wrong, tell them it's wrong.
Thank you for taking the time to watch our short film about sexual harassment. I hope that we've been able to give you a different perspective. If you see or experience sexual harassment, we want you to report it. No incident or detail is too small or too trivial. Report anything that makes you feel uncomfortable. We will always take you seriously.
See it or experience it. Report anything that feels uncomfortable. Text British Transport Police on 61016. And in an emergency, always call 999.